On October 4, 1957, humanity entered the space age. It was the day the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite, into Earth's orbit. This small metallic sphere equipped with 4 external radio antennas was a marvel of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. This event marked a turning point in human history, sparking a fierce competition between the superpowers of the time, the United States and the Soviet Union. The launch of Sputnik 1 was not just a scientific achievement, it was a geopolitical statement. The world watched in awe as Sputnik, a small, beeping sphere, circled our planet. Its journey around Earth was a clear signal that the space frontier was no longer a distant dream but a present reality. It transmitted radio signals back to Earth, a sound that became a symbol of the future. These beeps were more than just signals. They were a call to action for scientists and engineers around the globe. This event ignited a firestorm of excitement and fear, marking the beginning of the space race. People everywhere were captivated by the possibilities and the potential threats that space exploration could bring. The successful launch of Sputnik 1 shocked the United States. It was a wake-up call that spurred the nation into action, leading to significant investments in science and technology education. It revealed the technological prowess of the Soviet Union and ignited a desire to catch up. The race to space was on, and it was a race that would push the boundaries of what was possible. The space race became a symbol of national pride, a contest for supremacy in science, technology, and ideology. It was a time of rapid advancements and bold dreams, setting the stage for future explorations beyond our planet. The world was caught in the grip of the Cold War, a period marked by intense geopolitical tension and ideological conflict. The United States and the Soviet Union, armed with nuclear weapons, faced each other with suspicion and distrust, each side wary of the other's intentions and capabilities. Both superpowers were eager to showcase their technological superiority, and space exploration became a new arena for this competition, symbolizing the broader struggle for dominance. The rivalry extended beyond military might, infiltrating various aspects of society and governance. It encompassed every aspect of life, from economics to culture, influencing how people lived, worked, and even thought. Each side sought to prove the superiority of its political system and way of life, using propaganda to sway public opinion and gain global allies. The space race became a powerful propaganda tool. The stakes were high, as each achievement was broadcasted worldwide to demonstrate technological prowess. Success in spaceflight was not just about scientific advancement, it also represented national security and global prestige, with each mission carrying the hopes and fears of a nation. The world held its breath as the two superpowers raced to achieve new milestones in space, each launch a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. Following Sputnik, the Soviet Union achieved another stunning victory with the launch of Sputnik 2. This time, the spacecraft carried a passenger, a dog named Laika. Laika became the first living creature to orbit the Earth, further fueling the space race. The United States, determined to close the gap, established NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, in 1958. NASA consolidated existing research efforts and focused on developing a robust space program. The goal was clear: to surpass the Soviet Union in space exploration. Both nations poured resources into developing powerful rockets, sophisticated spacecraft, and training programs for astronauts and cosmonauts. The race to space was on, and it captivated the world's imagination. The challenges of spaceflight were immense. Engineers grappled with the complexities of rocket science, life support systems, and the unforgiving environment of space. The dangers were very real, with every launch carrying the risk of catastrophic failure. Teams of brilliant minds worked tirelessly to design and build rockets capable of escaping Earth's gravity. They developed heat shields to protect spacecraft during atmospheric re-entry and life support systems to keep astronauts alive in the vacuum of space. The Vostok spacecraft, designed by the Soviet Union for human spaceflight, was a marvel of engineering for its time. It consisted of a spherical capsule for the cosmonaut and a conical equipment module containing propellant tanks, engines, and the life support system. Section 5, Yuri Gagarin, a man for the stars. Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet Air Force pilot, was chosen from thousands of candidates to pilot the Vostok 1 mission. His selection was a testament to his exceptional skills and unwavering dedication. His courage, determination, and infectious smile made him the ideal candidate to become the first human in space. Gagarin's charisma and humility endeared him to people around the world. Gagarin underwent rigorous physical and psychological training. The preparation was intense, designed to push the limits of human endurance and mental fortitude. He endured grueling centrifuge tests to simulate the G-forces of launch and re-entry, practiced weightlessness in parabolic flights, and studied the intricacies of spacecraft systems. Each test was a step closer to making history. On April 12, 1961, at the age of 27, Yuri Gagarin strapped into the Vostok 1 spacecraft. The world watched with bated breath as he prepared for this monumental journey. He was about to embark on a journey that would forever change his life and the course of human history. The launch was a defining moment, not just for Gagarin, but for humanity as a whole. His mission to become the first human to journey into space. This mission marked the dawn of a new era in space exploration, inspiring generations to look to the stars. Section 6, Countdown to History. The launch site was the Baikonur Cosmodrome in the Kazakh Soviet Socialist Republic. Tension filled the air as engineers conducted final checks on the Vostok rocket. The world held its breath, waiting for the momentous event. Gagarin, calm and collected, communicated with mission control as the final countdown commenced. His voice, transmitted via radio, was a beacon of composure amidst the mounting tension. At 9:07 a.m. Moscow time, the engines of the Vostok rocket roared to life. The ground trembled as the mighty machine ascended skyward, carrying Gagarin and the dreams of humanity into the unknown. Section 7, Beyond the Blue Sky. As Vostok 1 surged upwards, Gagarin felt the immense force of acceleration pushing him back into his seat. He watched as the blue sky outside his porthole gradually darkened, giving way to the blackness of space. He became the first human to witness the curvature of the Earth and the thin blue line of the atmosphere that protects our planet. His words, "The Earth is blue, how wonderful, it is amazing," were filled with awe and wonder. During his historic flight, Gagarin conducted simple experiments, such as eating and drinking in weightlessness, to observe the effects of space travel on the human body. His observations provided valuable data for future space missions. Section 8, Triumph and Tension. While Gagarin marveled at the beauty of Earth from space, his mission was not without its share of tension. During re-entry, the Vostok 1 capsule experienced a technical issue, causing it to spin wildly. Gagarin, trained for such emergencies, remained calm and executed the necessary procedures. He endured extreme G-forces as the capsule stabilized and continued its descent towards Earth. Despite the harrowing re-entry, Gagarin's capsule landed safely in a field near the village of Smilovka, in the Saratov region of Russia. He had achieved the impossible and returned to Earth a hero. Section 9, A Safe Return. After ejecting from the capsule at an altitude of approximately 7 kilometers, Gagarin parachuted to the ground, landing near a group of startled villagers. He was dressed in his orange spacesuit, a symbol of his extraordinary journey. The news of Gagarin's successful spaceflight spread like wildfire across the globe. He became an instant global icon, a symbol of human achievement and the boundless possibilities of space exploration. His journey inspired millions around the world, igniting dreams of venturing beyond Earth and exploring the cosmos. The space race had reached a new climax, and the future of space exploration seemed limitless. Section 10, A Giant Leap for Mankind. Gagarin's pioneering flight lasted only 108 minutes, but its impact on human history was immeasurable. His mission proved that humans could survive spaceflight and opened the door for future exploration. The success of Vostok 1 shifted the balance of power in the space race. It was a major propaganda victory for the Soviet Union, demonstrating their technological prowess to the world. More importantly, Gagarin's flight transcended the political divisions of the Cold War. It was a triumph for all humankind, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and courage. His journey united the world in awe and wonder. Section 11. Legacy of a cosmonaut. Yuri Gagarin's legacy continues to inspire generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. His name is etched in history as a pioneer who dared to venture into the unknown. Gagarin's courage and determination paved the way for future space exploration achievements, including the first human steps on the Moon in 1969. His journey reminds us that humanity's potential is limitless when we dare to dream big and push the boundaries of what is possible. The spirit of exploration, embodied by Gagarin, continues to drive us to reach for the stars and unravel the mysteries of the universe.